everyone, we are Group 3 from BSIT 3rd year. Today, we will be presenting our website project titled Daily Mood Tracker, created as part of our requirement in Human-Computer Interaction 2 under Dr. Earl Marquez Albina.
The goal of our project is to make mood tracking more personal and aggressive. Through this website, users can record how they feel every day, also vent out, meaning they can write or share what's on their mind whenever they need to release emotions. We believe that expressing feelings is an important part of maintaining emotional balance and mental wellness.
When you open our website, you are greeted by a simple and calming interface featuring soft pink gradient colors that create a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. At the lower right corner, a cute pink play button invites user to enjoy the background music to us by April, Fit Wave to Earth and Wavy. Let's try it. Click play and the music starts. If you want to stop, just click pause and then the music is going to stop. This gentle feature adds a soothing vibe, helping user feel calm and comfortable while exploring the site. The homepage also carries a welcoming message. This one. Our goal is to make users feel that this is their safe space, a place where they can freely write down their thoughts or express their feelings whenever they need to.
This is the About Us page of our website. The Daily Mood Tracker was created by students who wanted to help people reflect on their emotions and mental well being through journaling. Our goal is to build a safe, calming, and expressive space where anyone can freely track their moods and feelings. We designed this website with a simple and relaxing theme, soft colors, rounded cards, and minimal layout to make it feel like a peaceful online journal. Here below, you can see our team members, which is Mary Rose D. Montañez, helps with design ideas and keeps the website simple and relaxing. Next is Jollify R. Caceres, designer house as well, creates the layout and style for a soft and peaceful look. And this is me, Sarah Vicinaon, programmer, builds and connects the features that make the site work smoothly. Each member has their social media links down here. When you click the Facebook or Instagram icons, it will go you to directly to their accounts. Example, this one, Facebook. This is Mary Rose Facebook, and then the Instagram as well. Yeah. This feature was added not just for design but also to show our collaboration and connection as a team. So overall, this page represents who we are, a group of students who wanted to make a simple yet meaningful project that promotes emotional expression and self-awareness.
So, this is our sign up page. Here, new user, you can create their own account by entering a username and password. Once they click the sign up button, their account will be registered and they can start using the website. Below the sign up form, there's an also link to redirect user to login page if they already have account. So, example is create password and sign up. So now let's move on to the login page. Here, user can log in by entering the same username and password they create eitherly. Once login and user access. Once the mood tracking and journal feed are the website. So, and then login. So, this setup follows a basic structure inspired by the MVC design pattern. When they review the user, you see the forms and layout and the controller processing the login or sign up action to connect the user data stored in the model. We include this figure to make the website feel more personal and secure, giving users their own space to record and express their emotion privately. Once the user logs in our daily mood tracker, they direct to the main dashboard when they keep track of their daily emotions. On the screen, you can see the mood tracker and event journal alongside the mood calendar. At the top, the user can select an emoji the best represent in their carrying mood. The option rate for happy, sad, angry, excited, and sleepy, helping user can easily express how they feel for the day. Below the emojis, there's a text area whenever the users vent out their thoughts or or write short journal entry about their day. This section allows them to reflect on their emotion and record meaningful experiences. So, example. So, I choose sad emoji. So, after choosing a mood and write their thoughts, the user clicks add entry to save their journal. So, click this. The entry is then stored and displayed in the list below, showing their mood and message for the day. So, along the side, which is the mood calendar, each visual mood using emoji icon, this figure help users notice their emotional pattern and change over time.
Now we're on the settings page of our daily mood tracker website. Here the user can see which account is currently logged in. So in my case, I am logged in as Syra because that's my name actually. So if I want to start afresh or remove all the precious mood entries which I put here in the mood tracker, as you can see there, this one. So if I want to what you call that, to remove everything in here, I can simply click this clear all about all entries. So it will ask you delete all entries, then click OK. Then if you go back to the tracker, it's gone already. And then we have here logout button. So if you click this one, it will automatically log you out and put you on home page actually.
In our daily mood tracker website, we applied the MVC design pattern to organize the project and separate responsibilities. M stands for model, V view, and C for controller. The first is model. The model is responsible for storing and managing all the information in the website. For example, when a user selects a mood for the day, the model saves it. When a user writes a vent out note, the model stores the text safely.
View user interface. The view is what the user sees on their screen, which is this one, our homepage. So it includes the home page, mood log, vent out page, and buttons. Uh, HTML and CSS are used to show the mood options, forms for venting, and past entries in a clean and readable layout. The view updates automatically whenever the model data changes so user can see their moods and vent entries in real time.
Controller, linking model and view. The controller acts as the middleman between the model and the view. If it manages user action, link, click, mood, submit the when out entry, or navigate between pages. For example, when a user submits a when note, the controller takes the input, set it to the model to save, and updates the view so the note appears on the screen. It ensures smooth communication between the user and the untrailing data. By applying MVC, where we're able to our code organized. Each park model, view, and controller has a clear role making it easier to maintain, update, or add the new figures without breaking other parts of the website.
That's the end of our presentation for the Daily Mood Tracker website. Through this project, we wanted to create a simple space where users can track how they feel and freely express their emotions. We believe that being aware of your moods and letting your feelings out is an important step taking care of your mental health. Thank you for watching our presentation, and remember, it's okay to pause, reflect, and vent out when you need to.